supposed to be, I plan to go to the salon to cut my hair into short, but then it was suddenly locked down again, quarantine. We have to stay safe inside the house. Pantay siya tingnan. Makulay na buhay mga kangiti! Welcome na welcome back sa aking channel. For today's video is all about DIY haircut. As you can see guys, my hair is already in long length. Mahaba na yung buhok ko. So, supposed to be, I plan to cut my hair, go to salon, follow the SOP. But then, this time, the cases getting high. So, we have to stay at home, stay safe for our everyone's protection. The plan is cancel. So, what I do is, I'll have to cut my hair by myself. A little bit short. Maybe in the future, the salon is finally allowed to open. I'm gonna prepare it by cutting my hair to the proper shop, the salon. This is my hair looks like at the back. It's already almost past to my hips. So ayan, I actually have a premiere later on guys, and before it's gonna start later on, so let's me have this vlog, this haircut. Without a further ado, let's get started. This is all the tools that we need, easiest way DIY haircuts. Let's get started. Small bucket of water so that it's gonna be easily to cut, para maging madali siyang i-cut on the end tips of our hair. Things that we need is small bucket of water, scissor meant for hair, haircut scissor, and of course we have our comb here, and of course the vacuum cleaner. After you cut your hair, we have to clean everything on the floor. Our hair fall, we have to clean it up using the vacuum cleaner. Kasi lockdown, quarantine, everyone's relates to this. Mahaba na yung buhok natin, kaya we have no other choice but to cut it by ourselves. My way is the easiest way guys, so check it out guys. So just make it wet at the end tips of our hair. Wet it at the tips. So ayan. Make sure our hair is all wet. Let's move all our hair in front of our face. Okay? So that is our hair in front. Comb our hair. We comb our hair facing in front of our face. We used to do with my siblings when we were still young. This is how we did, because the salon is far from our place before where we stay. So we just do like this. So I don't recommend it guys, but if you guys don't have choice, maybe this work for you. Okay, let's continue. Cut one straight. We don't expect it to be balanced. Hindi po tayo mag-expect na balance po siya. Yan po yung hair ko. Mag-grow din naman po yung hair natin. So, I'm not worried about it because my hair easily grow long. The next step guys, I wanna have a little look style my front hair. So what I do is, from here, follow the line, go down to our ear down there. Clip that. First we need to have that straight line there, and you do the same to the next things. If you wanna make sure, it's better to use this one guys. Have a good line. I recommend you to use this one, that's sharp. So, ayan guys, yung itsura. Tapos yung dito naman, kung gusto nyo na, maging bantay din siya. Okay. Tapos, ito na po yung itsura niya. Divide 2. If you wanna to make sure it's balanced down here, you just use this one, divide it into 2. Then in front yung hair nyo, move your hair in front. So I already divided into 2. Yan. I recommend that you wear a lighter t-shirt so that you will clearly see your hair clearly. So that's how it looks. So this is our finished product DIY haircut. This is the finished product of our quarantine DIY haircut. So how does it look? Please feel free to comment down below. That is my tutorial DIY hairstyle, quarantine hairstyle. All the salons here guys are closed, so I have to do my own haircut. So this is how it looks like. I use this oil guys, organic argan and virgin olive oil. It's a botanical garden brand. I bought this one in Watson. I like it because it's organic. I'm a fan of organic. We can put a little bit to take good care of our hair. Most of the time I put on the tip of our hair. So I like my hair to be look heavy and thick, so I don't put a lot of oil because I want it to look natural. So I didn't put a lot of oil on it, just the tip only, just enough to take good care of our hair. Yes. Okay, let's have before and after look of our hair. Here is, I included here my before hair. Ta-da! And the after is this one. Hope you guys like this video guys. If you found this my video interesting, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share, leave a comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe guys so that you will not miss out of my videos every time I upload a new videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Till I see you to my next one. So at the end of this video, I will let you see the back view of my hair. Thank you so much. I love you all. Till I see you in my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye. Meron po siyang pastel na parang magsi siya tingnan. And dahil sa ginupit ko po yung front kanina. Tapos kung gusto ko mapahabain yung hair ko, it's up to me. Igaganon ko siya. O kaya, pwedeng dalawahin ko siya. Tingnan. Ganon. I just divide into 2. Mahaba siya tingnan. So far, pantay naman siya tingnan. Hindi naman talaga perfecto yan. Pero, pantay siya tingnan. Kung iipit ko po siya, ganon po yung hitsura niya. Nahilo na ako.